Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to enable and disable NIC card using ifconfig and iplink command in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 operating system. So this using this command ifconfig and iplink to disable and enable the NIC will be the permanent solution. It is very good approach than previous one. So this is the command. So ifconfig will give you the list of network interfaces available and running. So this is the command to bring down the network interface. So ifconfig ENS160 down. So see here that network interface itself not getting displayed. So in previous command, even though we disable, something will get displayed. But when I type ifconfig ENS160 down, you can see that network interfaces will not get displayed. So now let me bring up. Yes, you can see that network interface is up and running. If config network interface name up, that's it. Okay, now second method, let me show another method. So using IP link command, I will going to show you how to enable and disable the NIC IP link. So here you can see IP link, simply type means it will display all the network interfaces. IP link set ENS160 down. Yes, see here it's showing as it's in down mode. So previous commands it will not show in down mode. So using this IP link set command, it will showing as a down mode. So once again I brought up the ENS160 network interface. Now it's up and running. So this is the way you can enable or disable NIC using ifconfig and IP link.